What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Crypto Spaces. This is where I cover everything Jasmy. If it's about Jasmy, we're checking it out on the channel. This is gonna be huge stuff, guys, because there's a lot of news that recently came out which could potentially help the Jasmy price and push it to those next levels, and we're gonna dive into that right now. Let's take a look real quick and pull it up right here at what Jasmy's doing. What Jasmy's doing, guys, right now, sitting at the 0034 mark. So it is you know, in a sideways momentum right now. It is holding that support. A lot of people think, you know, it could potentially lose this support around this range, but it is holding the support. Now would be a good a time as any to DCA if you're interested in DCAing or getting a nicer bag, right? There's people that have 100k to 1 mil Jasmy. To me, that honestly would be a great goal to have. I really do believe, I really do have the conviction that Jasmy could potentially hit $1 in the future if you just buy and forget, right? Manage your risk, buy and forget. Even if you just have 100k, which is $350, 200k, that is more than enough, right? That is more than enough for crypto, because crypto creates those life-changing gains that you don't see anywhere else. 23 million in 24-hour trade volume, 162 million in market cap, 10x to 100x to 1000x for Jasmy. Can't rule that out, guys. The community is way too bullish, we're way too strong, and the project is way too active and has serious use case with the IoTs, you know, blockchain developed, laptop blockchain developed as well, with the blockchain, the laptops that the team recently showcased, right? A lot of stuff going for Jasmy, man. From AEP, if we invest in Jasmy, it will reach 0.4 by the end of this month. It only be down because BTC is down. Well, right now BTC is down because of the SEC situation, but when markets are bullish again, expect Jasmy to absolutely crush it, right? Jasmy from J. Corey haters are brainless. I bought some more Jasmy. That means it's going up as soon as the SEC effery is over, and I agree. Once the SEC situation is all cleared up, or 1.4 billion or China 1.4 billion people get into crypto when China unbans crypto, things are gonna change fast. Things are gonna change really fast. Jasmy, I'm bullish on Jasmy. Top 100 again soon. Jasmy, buy more, let's go. Early birthday gift, what a sale. Another 70k added to the bag. Bargain prices. I'm bullish on Jasmy. Great entry point, and I agree with that. Still love Jasmy, buying cheap. A lot of people super bullish on Jasmy. My antivirus is going crazy right now, but yeah, a lot of people super bullish on Jasmy. Now let's take a look at the Jasmy Twitter, see if we have any updates from that, and then we'll also take a look at some news that could be super bullish for Jasmy as well. Jasmy grant. Let's talk about BRC20 with projects on Jasmy's grant. So they have a grant system. A grant system meaning that they will help develop projects to boost the Jasmy ecosystem. That is great stuff, guys. The next event, Akira 88. The next event is IVS official. Okay. Hara, Jasmy CFO, will also speak here. We will talk passionately about Jasmy, Jasmy Lab, data democracy, and finance democracy. We will also exhibit at the booth. Sincerely look forward to your visit. Nice stuff. So the team is always out there, and this is what I was talking about. All Avita PCs are blockchain application ready, so they have a built out, you know, PC computer stock, you know, product, built out product, just to show you that the team is working, man. I don't know how a project would be, people would be bearish on something like Jasmy when they actually have computers that are literally blockchain developed, you know, and also will be developed into the Jasmy ecosystem. Great to attend the Taipei Computex and display our world first blockchain notebook. You see, they built these out themselves, guys. That is a ton of work. That is a ton of manufacturing costs, so the team definitely has the funds to push the project, because this is a ton of manufacturing costs, and this is the type of things that will make Jasmy one of those projects that people take seriously. You could consider Jasmy like a stock on the stock market, where they have a working product and real world use case where people are, say the Avida computers, are a hit. Say they are successful and people start buying a ton of the Avida computers. That's gonna generate so much revenue for the Jasmy team, the Jasmy ecosystem, to potentially do marketing, buybacks, develop the ecosystem even further, and build a company and brand into something huge, right? This is the type of things you got to look for in projects, guys. You have to look for these types of things in projects. Now take a look at the hashtag Jasmy, see what we got. From Zippy, Jasmy will attend IVS official event on June 20th to 30th, the #1 crypto conference in Japan. Okay, so this is why you do your own research, guys. So the Jasmy team will be attending the #1 crypto conference in Japan, and obviously presenting Jasmy to all of the Japanese people. It's the flagship event of Japan Blockchain Week. Jasmy will talk about data democracy and finance democracy. Nice stuff here. You have a YouTube video. Why is Jasmy the Bitcoin of Japan? Let's take a look. From Tony Peacock. Let me follow everyone here. Press release. Japan merging healthcare data with my card highlights Jasmy's personal data locker tech. So Jasmy has a personal data locker tech, guys. That is crazy stuff. From Candlestick Maker, Jasmy, again, you can see how strong the community is, man. I'm typing in hashtag Jasmy. I'm not getting a bunch of spam messages. I'm getting real people that are talking about the project with a ton of likes and retweets. This is one of the things you gotta also consider when factoring into successful crypto projects. Is the community there? Like I'm telling you guys, like when it comes to crypto, if there's no community behind the project, I don't think it's gonna be successful. If there's no community, there's no like people that are helping to spread the word of the project, I really don't think it's gonna be successful. And I see how strong and bullish the Jasmy community is. That makes me even more bullish on the project. So yeah, from Candlestick Maker, by 2025, 22 billion IoT devices are expected to be connected to the internet. Things from smartphones, computers, or laptops to smartwatches, refrigerators, autos, security systems, etc. The data will be at risk, but Jasmy is your shield. Hear that, guys? Jasmy will be your shield against all these IoT devices that are in the future will be connected, right, to all these IoT devices. Jasmy will protect your data and your security, keep you decentralized. Jasmy.ai, a gold corporate partner for the IVS Crypto 2023 Kyoto, Japan. Oh wow. So the IVS Crypto, right, is one of the biggest conferences about crypto in Japan, and Jasmy is a gold partner next to projects like Arbitrum, Avalanche, Sui Network. Guys, don't fade. Don't fade. Do not fade. For the love of everything, do not fade. Now, this is a nice transition here, right here. Tokyo stocks end higher on optimism before Fed central bank meetings. So, guys, Jasmy more than likely is correlated to the Tokyo markets, right? The Fed meeting is this, like literally tomorrow. We have the FOMC I think the CPI data, and then Thursday's the meeting. We could see some bullish news this week. And I also saw from Watch a Guru, let me pull it up real quick so I could show you guys, that they are trying to fire Gary Gensler. The reason why the markets took a huge hit recently is because, you know, the SEC and of course Chairman Gary Gensler have been going out and trying to label everything a security, trying to label everything in crypto as an issue, right? And this is why we saw such huge corrections out of nowhere. So recently, just in, U.S. Congressman officially files bill to fire the SEC chair Gary Gensler. Get him out of here. That is bullish stuff. Get that man out of here. We don't need people like him. You limit you stifle the innovation of crypto in the US. Other countries are going to take over and be the leaders for it, guys. That's not something, you know, people in America want. I'm telling you, that's gonna end up very bad, right? So yeah, guys, Jasmy, a lot of recent updates. We're gonna keep tabs on the IVS conference. Let me go back and make sure. Yeah, the IVS crypto conference, we're gonna go back, keep tabs on that, guys. A lot more things. Jasmy's almost at its all-time low. Now is the time to scoop up, man. We got a ton of more things to check out, and I'm telling you, man, Jasmy is super bullish. If you hold a project, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about Jasmy and myself will be in the description. You know, don't miss this. Go support the previous videos as well. Go support the previous videos. I'm telling you, you know, you guys support content creators. This is how projects go viral and more people get into said projects, right? Also, become a Patreon to further support the channel. Crypto Sniper tier is $10 a month. You get access to my private Discord where we could talk, find new plays, and just, you know, engage with each other. It really helped the channel out, so I would highly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.